Hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, iPhone 12 fix why the iPhone screen randomly dims. So let's get started and do everything step by step. Click like that I will get hearts, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So I show you two very effective methods. Fix screen randomly dims your iPhone. Okay. I show you two way. How to soft reset with hardware case and clear the cache your iPhone. Okay. One way. Clear the cache your iPhone. I show you. Press and hold button turn off or turn on and press button and hold. Okay. Volume down. So hold 2-3 seconds and slide to power off, left, right, and waiting 5-7 seconds and your iPhone turn off. Okay, and I press and hold 2-3 seconds button turn on or turn off and hold on, yeah, we waiting, my iPhone loading, so just a little more and clear the cache your iPhone completed and made. Yeah, insert passcode your iPhone. So I showed you one way. Okay, I show you two way. So press the volume up and then the volume down and then the up button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, I show you. Press volume up, volume down and press and hold button turn off or turn on and until the Apple logo appears. Hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, 5-10 seconds. Yeah, and look Apple logo. So okay, I showed you how to soft reset with hardware case your iPhone, and it's very cool and effective method. Check its methods. Okay, guys, I showed you the first method. It is very effective. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. Comment, click like, then I will get hearts, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.